This looks like the perfect night for new wishes.
Welcome to Wish Night and to my brand new device.
You arrived just in time for the first ever Wish Night. Tonight, we write wishes that bring good to many hearts.
I want to write something that really helps people.
Each of you will write one kind wish on a strip.
And this is the Wish Breeze Reader to help us tonight.
It listens to the wind and reads the words on wishes. I will help sort wishes for me and wishes for us.
We gently guide each wish into the right group.
The wind will carry your wish all the way up to the sky.
I want to wish for Grandma to feel better. A strong wish for us signal has been detected. I wish for endless cake.
This is a personal sweet dream wish, perfect for the Wish for Me category.
It's like a garden of wishes, blossoming in the snow.
Every wish for us will help shape the year for Sunnyville.
Now we let the breeze gently read what the paper is saying.
The wind is already full of kind thoughts tonight. I wish I can play nicely with my brother every weekend. I like how one small wish can warm up a whole corner. The air is getting stronger, and my machine values are rising. Wind level is still safe, but it is climbing.
We shall keep the wishes from wandering off too soon.
I can help you write your wish if you tell me the idea. This wish is perfect for the Wish for Us basket.
The breeze is becoming very excited about all these wishes.
I hope the wind remembers to stay gentle tonight.
The weather report mentioned lively snow, but nothing too serious.
Wind level is rising, but still comfortable for outdoor wishes. Now the wind and the wishes can talk even more clearly.
This looks almost like a friendly little wish tornado.
Wind combination detected, and it is more than we planned for.
Our wishes are taking this breeze invitation very seriously.
We might have just invented the first blizzard of wishes.
Everyone stay together and move slowly while we watch the wind.
I'm taller now, but the sky wind is excited.
This wish says, I want the biggest snowstorm of the year.
I might have just invented romantic wind, and this is not the best time.
This wind is sweet, but it still looks like it could carry wishes away. This is like a soft wish-wish slide, and my feet love it. I can confirm this ride is fun and still safe at this speed.
It is time for this kind wind to help us bring wishes back instead of sending them away.
I promise the next shape this machine makes will be useful, not fancy. I can change this from show wind mode into gentle pull mode.
New setting, ready to invite wishes home instead of throwing them outward.
The blizzard of wishes is finally turning from a shout into a whisper.
Wind level is back in the safe zone, and our sliding path is officially closed.
Wishes for me! And wishes for us.
Now that the wind has returned the wishes, it is time to choose how we show them.
Maybe the wishes can become a path of light for everyone to walk through. These lights will keep the wishes visible without any fire at all.
Soon, Sunnyville will have its first wish lantern path.
It feels like walking through a hallway made from everyone hopes.
This time the machine will only help the air move like a slow song.
The air is now calm enough to carry whispers, but not grab papers. I want to remember how the blizzard turned into something gentle. I was scared when my wish flew away, but now it feels braver than before.
I think my invention finally learned how to be a helper instead of a show-off. Perhaps next year we plan the gentle part first before the dramatic spin.
Tonight has shown that even wild wishes can settle into kind actions.
I will call this chapter The Blizzard of Wishes and the Path It Left Behind. I am recording every step so we can replay the light anytime we want. I think this wish already started working tonight. This is the kind of wish that makes my heart and my stomach happy at the same time.
Sometimes the best part of a storm is the path it leaves for us to walk together.
I feel like we are walking through the inside of a snow globe. Some wishes are already happening quietly without any announcement.
Current count of wishes for us lanterns is higher than my starting prediction.
I like when my paws do small repairs instead of big storms.
Tomorrow I help sweep our stairs, and you read to your little cousin. I want to remember exactly how this curve of light looks tonight.
Rescued wish structure is now fully recharged and ready to glow.
This is the kind of teamwork even my best machines cannot replace.
I will keep this night in my thoughts when town problems feel heavy.
Serving tea might be my new favorite type of wish.
Tonight, your lantern idea helped my story find its ending.
Skyscan reports mostly snowflakes and only a few late wishes remaining.
This last one wants more time outside together as a family.
I think this wish is already happening while it is being read. I want to remember how it feels to stand in the middle of this glow.
I can write a page that belongs to all of you together if you like.
This story already sounds like a festival that can live in my memory drive.
It's been a wonderful night, everyone. The carriages are ready, so let's head back.
This night is finished, but the work of the wishes is only starting.
It feels like the end of a concert, where the last notes stay in the air.
Map of every lantern and every wish is now safe in storage.
May your journey be safe and warm.
We'll miss you. Goodbye.
Farewell, children.
That family wish is now officially both inside and outside at the same time.
I like when the town feels small enough to fit in my notebook.
Many families kept one wish at home to remind them later.
The porch sweeping wish found its perfect landing spot.
This looks like a quiet corner made for thinking about next year's wishes.
I I am saving this exact level of quiet in a special folder.
This story can wait inside my book until tomorrow afternoon.
We helped the square tonight, and tomorrow we help with shovels here.
Thank you both for turning a wild wind into a gentle path. The lantern path stayed in my mind even after I left the snow. I can see just enough of the path to imagine the rest. I want to remember that the important part was how we changed the wishes. Machines can push air, but people decide what travels on it.
Good night, Helper Machine, and thank you for finally listening.
Tomorrow, I erase that mode and replace it with gentle path mode instead.
I will guard this collection of wishes as if it is treasure.
I like inventing even more when the best ideas come from mistakes we fixed.
Any future storm settings must be checked by my favorite reviewers.
The town looks like it is sleeping under a blanket of wishes.
I want to show my family how this new version of the wish can work.
If we ask nicely, I think everyone on the block would enjoy this plan.
Tomorrow I start my wish by cleaning the steps before anyone else wakes up. Good night, Blizzard of Wishes, and thank you for turning into something kind. I wanted to see what our path looked like in the daylight.
The wishes will stay in memories, even when decorations go away.
I will store the gust idea in a drawer marked, maybe on a very quiet day.
This can be the official Blizzard of Wishes morning photo!
The picture is slightly fuzzy, but the feeling is completely clear.
When people take care of wishes after the party, it means the festival truly worked.
I liked seeing how our blizzard turned into something simple and steady.
Today, we give this invention its final Blizzard of Wishes update.
We only keep the gentle sounds that fit with the lantern path.
The new maximum setting will be soft enough to move a paper, but not steal it.
I want the instructions to sound like advice from a friend, not a rule book.
Now, even if someone is
Welcome to your new purpose, my careful air guiding friend.
Sometimes the best part of a wish story is the cleanup chapter.
I like saving the sound of pens when they are telling calm stories.
It looks like the idea of paths and lights is visiting their games now.
I think the Blizzard of Wishes has fully turned into a story we can share. The day after a festival has its own soft kind of magic. Let us see how the square feels with normal lamps back in charge. The wishes have turned into a self-guided walking tour. We had a blizzard of wishes, but we decided what stayed afterward.
Stories travel differently when they are retold by many voices.
It is like the town found a way to mix festival and normal day.
The page feels different now that I have seen the morning after. I want future me to remember that part the most. The Blizzard of Wishes is now a playground game with better rules. I like this version of my strong wind idea much more. What if next year we plan a path of wishes without any blizzard at all?
We can start with the feeling we liked and skip the wild part.
Reminder set to talk about new wish paths long before the next snowstorm.
The sky seemed content to let us handle the next wish story.
I think this is our sign that it is time for dinner.
My steps will be the first new marks outside the wish path. Thank you for teaching us how to hold on to the good parts of a storm.
It looks like people are already planning how to live their wishes.
I like that some wishes sound like clinking plates and quiet jokes.
Each chapter is a different kind of promise to remember. This page can be my reminder when new plans feel out of control. I wonder what other wish stories are waiting in this town. Goodnight book and goodnight wishes that are already on the way.
I am glad my strongest idea from last night was to turn the knob down. Tomorrow, I start inventing machines that make calm a main feature. I have enough recordings of kindness to play through many quiet nights.
The Blizzard of Wishes has finally gone to sleep.
These will live in the town hall so people can read them again.
It feels like we are putting our story into a library. You three will always know where to find these if you need reminders.
Now the memories live in two kinds of shelves at once.
It is nice to know our windy night has a home that does not move.
I like how every drawing chooses a different favorite moment. The message is shorter than my reports, but it works very well. We can write tiny wishes just for how we want to remember this week. I like like that even our private wishes are shaped by what we learned. These can stay with the folder as our little bookmark.
Future visitors will see that the helpers also made wishes for themselves.
The blizzard of wishes is over, but its path stays open inside us. Sweeping feels better when I know it came from my own wish.
I am officially running the first ever Blizzard of Wishes dessert delivery route.
Sharing slices outside makes the air feel warmer than any oven.
These stories feel brighter now that they are part of our promise list.
This visit came from our Blizzard of Wishes night, and we plan to repeat it.
This walkway is built entirely from promises that decided to move their feet.
This chapter feels full and ready to sit beside the others. I like seeing how each story is a different way of caring for our town.
I wonder what we will hang there for the next kind of festival.
This spot used to feel wild, and now it feels calm and important.
It is easier to hear what we learned when the sound is not so loud.
I like knowing I can choose smaller movements now. A path does not need lights to keep going, as long as we remember where it started. I think we are ready for whatever the next season brings.
Fresh snow is like new paper, waiting for more footprints and stories.
Maybe not every wish needs words to work.
We can meet here again when the next big idea decides to visit.
No matter which way we walk, the same wishes follow us.
The night started with simple strips and careful words. Every rescue step brought the storm a little closer to calm.
That first lantern felt like an answer we built together.
Even without light, the shapes reminded us of what we had done.
I liked knowing our story lived in a quiet corner of the town hall. This was the Blizzard of Wishes turning into everyday motion.
A once selfish wish found better flavor after being shared.
The storm had become a game the town could play without worry.
It looked like a small map leading out into future stories.
Each book is proof that our town can keep learning in kinder ways.
I want my inventions to feel like lanterns, not storms.
All of these recordings fit under one file name called Caring.
The blizzard of wishes left patterns that only we might notice.
I am ready for the next page whenever it arrives.
Tomorrow problems will come, but we know how to handle windy ones now.
I think this file will be one of my favorites for a long time.
Wishes are safest when they travel with kindness instead of chaos.
Wherever we gain next, we carry the blizzard of wishes inside as a gentle guide.
I am replaying our favorite parts so they stay bright. The very first wishes already carried the shape of what came later. I loved that first spin.
Before I knew how wild it could get.
It looked like the sky decided to borrow all our words at once. This shape made the storm look silly instead of scary.
Even my mistake found a way to turn into a safe little ride.
Every piece we picked up pulled the night back toward calm.
I liked how that wish learned to share without losing its fun.
That tiny lantern felt like the first answer to our noisy storm.
This was the town, turning confusion into a gentle hallway.
I could feel how that wish already lived in the air around us.
This was my favorite proof that shared wishes taste better.
Little chores turned into quiet celebrations of promise. I liked how that wish changed the feeling inside that whole room.
The path looked like a memory hanging gently in the air.
Seeing our night on a shelf made it feel official and safe.
This wall reminds me to build comfort into every new idea.
Their game is like a kinder echo of the original Blizzard.
That small sign is my favorite map for where our wishes can go next. Whatever new pages we write, I hope